After a wait of more than 3 years, it seems that the long-awaited event is finally taking place. The Shiba Inu community has never been more enthusiastic. This evening marks the pivotal moment that alters everything. I will remain conscious for an extended period of time without sleeping. Currently, the cost of sleep is rather high. However, what is the subject matter of my discussion? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu has seen significant success in the year 2024. CryptoRank reports that the price of Shiba Inu has seen a remarkable increase of 141% since the beginning of the year. Shiba Inu has seen development in 3 out of the 5 months so far. In March, there was a significant increase in price, with a staggering 145% surge within 1 month. May prove to be a favorable month, as the asset saw a significant 13% increase, putting an end to a 2-year period of consecutive losses. It seems that Shiba Inu is indeed capable of doing that. Tomorrow is expected to be a crucial day for the whole cryptocurrency industry, when Australia joins the excitement around Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Funds, ETFs. Australia's first Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF, is set to start trading on Tuesday, generating significant enthusiasm within the cryptocurrency industry, which is already experiencing unprecedented levels of excitement. The enthusiasm arises from the substantial influence that such occurrences have had before. Upon the debut of the first Bitcoin ETF in the United States, it saw a substantial influx of hundreds of millions of dollars on a daily basis. This surge propelled Bitcoin to achieve a new record-breaking peak and played a significant role in Shiba Inu's remarkable gain of more than 100% since the beginning of the year. It is well recognized that the Shiba Inu breed is very responsive to fluctuations in the value of Bitcoin. Consequently, the Shiba Inu community is very vigilant and optimistic, since future holds significant potential for them. Australia offers many exchange-traded products that provide exposure to Bitcoin. However, Monochrome Asset Management is the first to get clearance under a newly established licensing category for crypto assets, which was introduced in 2021 as part of the Australian Financial Services Licensing Guidelines. This authorization permits their exchange-traded fund, ETF, to own Bitcoin directly. Monochrome has confirmed that its Bitcoin holdings are securely held offline in a device that is not connected to the internet. They use a crypto custody solution that complies with the regulatory norms for institutional custody in Australia. Prior to this, Australian investors were limited to investing in ETFs that held Bitcoin indirectly or via offshore Bitcoin products. Furthermore, I have something intriguing to share. Unlike similar funds in the United States, which are paid in cash, this ETF allows investors to redeem their investments in the form of assets rather than cash. Consequently, investors have the option to get tangible Bitcoin rather than cash when they sell their shares. Jeff Yu, the CEO of Monochrome, anticipates significant demand in his company's ETF, particularly due to the steady expansion of indirect Bitcoin ETF offerings in recent months. He is of the opinion that providing direct Bitcoin exposure via in-kind redemptions will appeal to a larger number of investors seeking a safe and regulated means of investing in Bitcoin. You observe that Australia has a significant presence in the cryptocurrency industry and anticipates that local Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, would attract net inflows of around $3 to $4 billion during the first 3 years. Given the substantial quantity involved, it will be intriguing to see the development and the overall influence it will have on the cryptocurrency market. However, this is only the surface level of a much larger and complex issue. It is important to remember that a new Ethereum exchange-traded fund, ETF, has just been authorized in the United States, and trading is anticipated to commence this month. Here is where certain data on the blockchain indicates some extraordinary news. The current supply of Ether is at its lowest point in some years, with barely 10% being held on centralized exchanges. Following the legalization of US ETFs, more than $3 billion worth of Ether has been withdrawn from exchanges, suggesting a decrease in available supply. Consequently, there is a decrease in the number of coins available for purchase when investors transfer their Ether to self-custody. When individuals transfer their coins to self-custody, it often indicates their intention to retain ownership of the coins instead of selling them. Regarding the authorized Ethereum ETF, there was widespread anticipation of a significant liquidation of assets. However, it seems that individuals are now opting to retain their Ether instead, which is an encouraging indication. The act of keeping Ether indicates that investors possess trust in its long-term worth and are not seeking immediate profit, so contributing to the stabilization and possible appreciation of its price. According to statistics from CryptoQuant, a total of 797,000 Ether, which is equal to $3 billion, was removed from exchanges between May 23 and June 2. The notable decline in exchange reserves, as previously stated, indicates that investors are transferring their coins to self-custody for reasons other than quick sales. Bloomberg's ETF expert, Eric Balchunas, predicts that Ether-based ETFs will be launched by the end of July. Several specialists have the belief that Ether has the potential to exceed its previous record peak established in November 2021. This breakthrough will undoubtedly have a significant influence on the whole cryptocurrency market, ultimately boosting other digital assets as well. The emergence of Ethereum ETFs, similar to what we have seen with Bitcoin ETFs, has the potential to stimulate more institutional attention and financial commitment to the wider cryptocurrency sector. Moreover, considering the Shiba Inu breed's susceptibility to fluctuations in Bitcoin ETFs, there are expectations of comparable reactions to Ethereum ETFs. If Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, garner substantial investment and result in an increase in the value of Ether, it has the potential to have a beneficial impact on the prices of other cryptocurrencies, such as Shiba Inu. Furthermore, there is a quite compelling rationale supporting this perspective. DeFi reporter and crypto expert Michael Nadeau highlighted that Ether has the potential to gain more than Bitcoin from this increase in demand due to its reduced structural sell pressure. Unlike Bitcoin miners, who often sell their Bitcoin to fund the costs of mining, Ethereum validators do not face the same amount of operational expenditures. This viewpoint is astute and captivating, as it highlights a key distinction between Ethereum and Bitcoin. It seems logical that Ether may face less price decline than Bitcoin in some situations, especially when there is a higher demand. This observation emphasizes the distinct characteristics of the Ethereum ecosystem and adds an additional dimension to the conversation on its possible expansion in relation to the forthcoming launch of the Ethereum ETF. In addition to these advancements, a recent cryptocurrency research has shown that the percentage of individuals who possess digital assets has exceeded 6.8%. This increase in adoption occurs prior to the much-anticipated jump in cryptocurrency prices. Many people consider Bitcoins to be good financial options. Triple-A's analysis states that in 2024, over 562 million individuals, accounting for roughly 6.8% of the world's population, own digital assets in various forms. This jump represents a 34% rise compared to the figures of 2023. The anticipated crypto bull market has served as a huge driver for the global adoption of cryptocurrencies, instilling a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out, among inquisitive investors who see it as an opportunity to possibly generate substantial profits from a credible investment channel. Experts forecast that the next crypto bull market in 2024 might perhaps be the most significant one to date. This surge is expected to be driven by the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs and the recent authorization of spot Ethereum ETFs. Please be aware that the information provided is not intended as financial advice, and it is strongly recommended that you do thorough research on your own. However, the growing acceptance and optimistic market outlook may provide the impetus required for Shiba Inu to overcome its downward trend in July and maybe see substantial profits. However, what is your viewpoint on such matter? Please leave a comment below. I am keen to peruse your viewpoint. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.